Your best design may not always be your first design. It's a process of iteration, of revision. And now, capturing those revisions is easier than ever. Design changes can affect parts, assemblies, and drawings. Having a clear understanding of the impact helps you identify what needs to be revised. When you're ready to create a new revision, it's as simple as saving. Indicate that it's a new revision, and add a comment for what's changing. Hit save, and you're done. On the drawing, the revision table automatically updates for you. There's no need for creative file names or managing new file references. Just easy access to the old revision at any time. And if you need to see what's changed between revisions, Cloud Services gives you access to apps on the 3D Experience platform that are ready to assist. Innovate and revise your way to your best design. Take advantage of Cloud Services available with new and upgraded SOLIDWORKS subscriptions.